Today we're charging away our problems with our new 10,000 mAh portable charging bank. It comes complete with a built-in lightning cable, USB-C cable, and even a magnetic wireless charging pad for iPhones. It's shipped to your door with everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your manual, a micro USB charging cable, and then your power bank. On one side, you have a USB-C cable, and then on the other side, you have a lightning cable. If you push the power button, the front display will turn on. Here, you can see your battery percentage and know how much charge you have at all times. Not only is the front of this charger a wireless charging pad, but it's magnetic, and the magnet is strong. You can slap this on the side of your desk or any other metal surface. This way you can keep it on you, yet out of the way. Now, I'll never lose my charging bank and can always know where it is, as I have a spot just for it. Then we tested the wireless charging pad, and that worked like a charm too. Honestly, it's pretty cool, and I'm a bit jealous it won't work with my phone. Now, I'm a filthy Android user, and I still get plenty of use out of this. It has a USB-C cable built right into the side, or I can plug in a USB charging cable and charge other devices that use things like micro USB. You can even charge more than one device at a time. But this is still one of the more useful and thought out charge banks I've ever had the chance to use. It's small enough to slide into your pocket. It can wirelessly charge your iPhone, charge your friends' Androids, or other devices. And that magnetic feature is just awesome. I love that I can hang it up when I'm done. So if you're looking to bring a charge to your own devices, or even family or friends' devices, this power bank might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go make sure my buddy's phone is charged before our next video shoot. See ya!